Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all are guys doing? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video for doing the English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing one time when the weather changed your plans. So this is the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So it was a time around last week when I was planning to basically go my home with my laptop, and at the point basically I do have some sort of things which is pending, and so I want to basically to take my laptop with myself, but at the sudden changes in weather I cannot able to do that basically. So I have to basically left my laptop in the office because of heavy raining, and previously the same thing happened, but I took the laptop, but due to the rain basically my display got basically broken and display got break damage. So that is the thing which is happen, and I don't want to uh, like damage my screen again. So I planned basically I just um took my laptop there and just get home without that. And so uh, but yeah, from this incident I realized that there is no thing certain. The thing which is certain is like your mentality, like how you can basically perform that. So basically, I waited around half an hour to 1 hours extra because I want to complete my pending works, and then I basically complete my task. And nowadays there's weather changes is like happening due to like global warming, you can say, because there is you cannot predict the weather nowadays, because in the summers in the winters basically the rain is happening, and in summers the rain is not happening. So this is how the things are working nowadays. And so yeah, this is all about the cue card, and I think probably I need to speak more, and I think I probably speak around only 1 minute. That is how I basically done the practice for today's video. And yeah, today I just not basically want to basically upload the video, but yeah, I want to be a consistent person in this platform. So yeah, that's why I just upload the video, and I try to basically upload video consistently. And I'm going to complete like 700 videos within like 2 to 3 days of time. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm going to basically plan some sort of things, basically like celebration, kind of very small celebration, because that is huge for a person. Right, you always need to basically embrace your work, and you need to have a healthy and happy mindset, because that is how we work. If we have some sort of regret or unhappiness that that I cannot able to do it in this span of time, so we will always regret, always unhappy, and that doesn't matter a lot, right? We are making ourselves demotivated, but we need to basically think positive, act positive, right? So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye, have a good day.